Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 on your laptop. First, you will need an emulator, which is software that mimics the original Nintendo 64 console. Project 64 is a widely used and stable option for this purpose. You will also need the game's ROM file, which is a digital copy of the game itself. Make sure to obtain these files from reputable sources to ensure a smooth and secure experience. Once you have downloaded Project 64, install it on your laptop. After installation, open the emulator and navigate to the settings to configure your controller. Most modern gamepads are compatible, and you can map the buttons to your preference. Finally, open the ROM file for Super Mario 64 through the emulator's File menu to begin playing. For the best experience, fine-tune your controller settings. Adjust dead zones and sensitivity to ensure precise movements for Mario. You can also enhance the game's visuals significantly. Many emulators allow for higher resolutions, anti-aliasing, and texture filtering, making the classic game look much sharper on a modern screen. Explore the video plugin options to find the best balance for your system. If you encounter issues, first check your laptop's specifications against the emulator's requirements. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of performance problems, so ensure yours are up to date. Many online communities and forums offer extensive troubleshooting guides and solutions for common emulator issues. Don't hesitate to seek help there if you get stuck. A quick search often yields the answer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.